เริ่ม
Sawasdee krab, this is Ken from Cenergy Solutions. I am now with Mr. Jinda. He is a local small farm owner for a pig farm. And we have recently installed the H2S cleaning system for him. That is, now he can utilize the biogas that is clean without H2S. And as you can see here, we have two tanks. Tank number one is to separate the water and moisture, go into our ANG H2S absorbent system that can clean and take out H2S. And it is regenerable. Okay, after the gas is saturated for a time, then we can take it out and then use it over again as a new tank. So พี่จินดารู้สึกยังไงกับระบบ ANG ที่เราติดตั้งนะครับ
เมื่อก่อนมันตอนที่เรายังไม่ได้ติดตั้งระบบนะครับเนาะตอนนั้นมันกลิ่นก็เยอะคาร์บอนก็เยอะหลายๆอย่างเนาะพอเราได้ตัวนี้ตัวกรองมาทุกอย่างก็สะอาดหม้ออะไรก็สะอาดหมดขาวจะไม่มีดำ
ไม่มีกลิ่น
ครับแล้วก็ไม่มีกลิ่นด้วย
So he said it is good. There's no smell and for a cooking pan there's no black stain that you normally get from other type of energy. So it is clean and no smell and it's not corrosive. Once the gas is clean, then we can cook with the clean biogas using this biogas stove burner that is clean and very strong. Okay. We are measuring the raw biogas at inlet point, so it shows that H2S is quite high and it just keep going up, 2,300. Methane is about 71%. So this is to show a measurement before the gas goes to our ANG cleaning system for H2S. So the system has been taken out, H2S completely to zero at the outlet point.